Hello students, in last class we had completed the addition of decimals. Today we will start with subtraction of decimal, exercise 5.7. Question number 1, subtract 39.5 minus 32.6. (39.5 minus 32.6). Okay, we have to write the decimal in same column. Okay, and after decimal digits should be in same column. Okay, ये सब एक कॉलम में, डेसिमल एक कॉलम में, बाकी डिजिट्स भी एक ही अलग अलग एक कॉलम में होनी चाहिए. ओके, 5 minus 6 we have to take a carry, so 15 minus 6 9, here 8 minus 2 6, 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. So answer is 6.9. Question number 7, 83.43 minus 28.62. Now subtract 3 minus 2 1, 4 minus 6, take a carry, 14 minus 6 8. Now here 2, we have to take a carry again, 12 minus 8 4. Now 7 minus 2 5, 54.51. Now of part A subtract, you have to do only the odd one questions, 1 3 5 7 9 11. Okay, same in part B, 1 3 5 7 9 11. Okay, 6 part of first and 6 part of B. Okay, now B subtract. In B part the decimals are unlike. Okay, we have to make them like decimals, then we will subtract them. 51.03 minus 9.984. So after decimal 3 digits are there and here only 2 digits, so we have to put a 0 just after 3 to make it a 3 digit after decimal. Now they are like, so now subtract 51.030 minus 9.984. Okay, just write decimal in same column. Okay, बिल्कुल एक ही लाइन में एक कॉलम में होने चाहिए, and 9 just under the 1 in one's column. इस कॉलम में 9 को लिखना है. Okay, now subtract 0, we have to take a carry, 10 minus 4 6, 12. So 2, take a carry, 2 12 minus 8 4. Now 9, we again take a carry, 9 minus 9 0, and 10 minus 9 1 4. Okay, this is the answer. Same as question number 3 and 11. In 3 we have to put 30 after putting a decimal, because in second number there is 3 digits after decimal, so there is no decimal, so put a decimal and 30 after decimal. Okay, now you can do the other remaining parts of this exercise. Now use of decimals applications. First we have to know some measurements. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram, and 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. Okay, we must know these conversion before starting exercise 5.8. Okay, in exercise 5.8 write in decimal in the units within in brackets. Okay, we have to write this in decimal in which unit? Rupees. So first question is 80 rupees 7 paise. 80 rupees is already in rupees, so we have to only convert 7 paisa into rupees. How to convert paisa into rupees? 7 paisa. We know that 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa. So to convert paise into rupee, we have to divide by 100. Okay, to convert paisa to rupee, we have to divide by 100. So 7 upon 100 is equals to 0.07. 2 zeros, so put decimal before 2 digit. One digit is 7 and second digit is 0. So 0.07 rupee. Now how to write the whole 80 rupees 7 paisa in rupees? 80 rupees, it remains as it is before decimal, and after decimal this value 07. Okay, so we will read it as rupees 80.07. Okay, this comes after adding the 80 rupees and this one 80 plus 0.07. Okay, you can also check by adding these two numbers. Now second 6 rupees 40 paisa, same as first. First convert the paisa into rupees. 40 upon 100 means 0.40. Now 6 rupees remain as it is, rupees 6 point after decimal 40, or we can remove this 0 because after decimal we can remove this 0. Okay, as they are equivalent. Okay, these are equivalent decimals. Question number 4, 78 meter 48 centimeter in meter. We have to convert in meter. 78 is already in meter. Now convert 48 into meter. So 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. So we have to divide 48 by 100 to convert in meter. 0.48 meter. 1 0. 2 zeros are there. So 1 2. Put a decimal before 2 digits. 1 2. Now 78 remain as it is, and after decimal we will write 48 meter. So answer is 78.48 meter. Okay. 7 1 kg 10 gram. We have to convert in kg. So convert 10 gram into kg, 10 upon 1000, because 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. So 0.010 kg. Now before decimal we will write the value of kg 1, and after decimal 0.010, or we can remove this 0, because after decimal if there is a digit means 1 to 9. So if there is digit 1 to 9 and after that there is 0, so we will not write that 0. Before this digit also 0, but we have to write this 0 because there is a digit here after this 0. So answer is 1.01 kg. Now second 50 liter or 500 milliliter into liter. Same as question number 7. Convert milliliter into liter, then 50.5 liter or 50.500 liter. You have to do all the parts of this A section. Okay, you have to do all these parts. Now B, as you can skip the second B part. In C and D you have to do only first 3 parts. Okay, first 3 parts, but you can do these 2 parts in practice. Okay, what you have to do in these C and D, you have to convert these in decimals and then add. The conversion is same as you have done in A part. Okay, then we have to add them. First question 88 rupees 16 paisa and 66 rupees 15 paise. First we have to convert this in decimal rupees and this decimal. When we convert 88 rupees 16 paisa to rupees, it will convert it to 88.16, and 66 rupees 15 paisa to 66.15 rupees. Okay, now we can add these 2 numbers. Okay, so answer is 154.31 rupees. Okay, you can do the other parts, and in D you have to subtract. Okay, process is same. Now the word problems E. Ram purchased a pen for 18 rupees for rupees 18.50 and a book for rupees 70.25 and a geometry box for rupees 55.95. How much money did Ram spend in all? Cost of pen is 18 rupees 18.50, cost of book rupees 70.25 and cost of geometry box rupees 55.95. So how much money did Ram spend? We will add all these money rupees. Okay, 18.50, 70.25, 55.95. So after adding these we get 144.70. So answer is rupees 144.70. In question number 2, Balu cycled from his house to post office, to the bazaar, then to the hospital, and then he returned home. The distance are marked in the figure below. What is the total distance covered by Balu? Okay, Balu started from home. He went to post office. So he traveled 1.6 kilometer. After post office, he went to bazaar. After traveling 1.3 kilometer. After bazaar, he went to hospital 6.65 kilometer. Then after hospital, went back to return to home after traveling 0.75 kilometer. Okay, these are 4 distance which Balu covered. Okay, now we have to tell the total distance covered by Balu. So what will be the total distance? We will add the all distance. Okay, 1.6, 1.3, 6.65 and 0.75. Okay, first we will make them like decimals, then we will add. Now question number 3, you can do with yourself. Question number 2. Question number 3, a container holds 50.6 liter of water. If 19.7 liters of water is used up, how much water is left in the container? Container holds 50.6 liter of water and 19.7 liter water is used. So how much water is left in the container? We will subtract these two numbers. Okay, so water left in container is equals to 50.6 minus 19.7, means 30.9 liters of water is left in the container. Question number 4, a shopkeeper had 500.50 rupees in his cash box when the sales began. At the end of the day, he had 2000 rupees. How much did he sell that day? Okay, we have to tell the sale of that day. In starting, before sales began, shopkeeper had 500.50 rupees. But after the sale end, he has 2000 rupees in his box. So how much he get from the sale? We will subtract these numbers. Okay, we have to subtract 500.50 from 2000. Okay, the answer will be from subtraction. Now question number 5, what should be subtracted from 45.13 to get 30.56? So we will subtract 30.56 from 45.13 after subtracting 14.57. 14.57 should be subtracted from this to get 30.56. Okay, now question number 7, what should be added to 0.329 to get 4.000? Okay, now we have to add something to this number to get 4.000. Okay, now what should be added to this? We can get that number by subtracting these two numbers. Okay, अगर हम इसमें क्या ऐड करने के बाद ये मिलना चाहिए, हमें वो निकालने के लिए हम इसे इसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. ओके, when we subtract this we get 3.671. now this is the number which when added to 0.329 we will get 4. Okay, you have to do the first 7 parts of this word problem. Okay, up to 7. Okay, thank you.